One windy day, Alexi and Pexi were flying kites when Pexi asked, "What is wind?"
That is a very good question,
answered Alexi.
Wind is just air that is moving around.
Yes, but what causes the air to move around? Pexi asked.
Well, it is the uneven heating of the Earth's atmosphere. As the sun warms the surface of the Earth, the atmosphere warms too. Some parts of the Earth receive direct rays from the sun all year and are always warm. Other places receive indirect rays, so it is colder there. Warm air weighs less than cool air, so the warm air rises. Then cool air moves in to replace the rising warm air. This movement of air is what makes the wind blow.
So the wind is the same as air, only a lot pushier, said Pexi with a chuckle. Alexi giggled at Pexi's joke.